What powers every green plant on Earth? The answer lies inside the chloroglucose that fuels all life. Let's explore its amazing structure and function. Every green leaf contains millions of tiny chloroplasts. These remarkable organelles capture sunlight and convert it into chemical energy, making life on Earth possible. Inside the mesophyll cells of plants, chloroplasts float freely within the cytoplasm. They are the primary site of photosynthesis and contain the green pigment chlorophyll. A chloroplast is an oval or lens-shaped organelle enclosed by two protective membranes. This double membrane separates the internal photosynthetic machinery from the surrounding cytoplasm. The outer membrane protects the chloroplast, while the inner membrane regulates the movement of proteins, ions, and metabolites. Between them lies a narrow intermembrane space. The stroma is a protein-rich fluid that surrounds the internal membrane system. It contains enzymes required for carbon fixation and sugar synthesis. The stroma contains circular DNA, 70S ribosomes, RNA, enzymes, and starch granules. These features demonstrate that chloroplasts possess their own genetic system. The most important structures inside chloroplasts are the thylakoids. These membrane sacs contain chlorophyll pigments responsible for capturing solar energy.
Stacks of thylakoids form grana, increasing the membrane surface area available for photosynthesis. Grana are interconnected by stroma lamellae.
Embedded within the thylakoid membrane are chlorophyll molecules. Their unique molecular structure efficiently absorbs blue and red wavelengths of sunlight. The light reaction begins in photosystem 2. Light energy splits water molecules, releasing oxygen, electrons, and hydrogen ions. The energized electrons travel through the electron transport chain, pumping hydrogen ions into the thylakoid lumen and storing energy. The proton gradient powers ATP synthase, a rotating molecular machine that converts ADP into ATP, the universal energy currency of the cell. In photosystem 1, electrons gain additional energy and reduce NADP positive into NADPH, another essential energy carrier. Inside the stroma, the Calvin cycle begins. The enzyme rubisco captures atmospheric carbon dioxide. Using ATP and ADPH from the light reactions, carbon dioxide is converted into glucose through a series of enzyme-controlled reactions. Some glucose is immediately used for energy, while the excess is stored as starch within the chloroplast for future use. Chloroplasts produce both oxygen and food, supporting nearly every ecosystem and sustaining almost all life on our planet. Chloroplasts are the green powerhouses of plant cells, transforming sunlight into life-sustaining energy. Understanding their structure reveals the extraordinary process that powers our living world.